Polek so im ol man meri lorom lol ting ting wem writing this pla book lorom memi no kisim lo wet asolem study good pipe la book blonga Moses Old Testament one time all book lol prophet na kisim this pla ol talk na I'm writing me go down no book lorom so this pla ol good news I mosem talk I'm writing all down I mosem roots blong this lol talk and kisim lo Old Testament lem so in lo sem roots blong am and kisim lo Old Testament on la pipe la book one time all book lo prophet now all prophet and all been making this the same talk to them I'm out team good news I'm out team and number one thing lo Paul and this plan number two I'm like so emotion Christ here I'm I'm asked lo this plan get good news where I'm out team number three I'm like so emotion saya met them workman belum Christ workman belum go them out team this plan good news and this plan good news out team long or pan Mary must believe in this plan good news. Now behind in this plan talk long God or out team long. All must believe him. Now behind in talk long God.
Number one point, tugtog lo, sin, pasin lo sin. And tugtog lo, support lo God lo, sin lo all man meri. Imi man meri making sin em, God lo God em ready tasol lo, kotim yumi. Em one kind lo, book lo start to em, man na meri din making sin, so God em kotim all na, rang simol, Garden Eden.
Man meri sin na, osta panenit lo kot lo God. Number one.
Rome chapter 3 na 21 ni go down mo. 21 na mito ko sa nung not mo bilit to so good by calling him straight pa man. Ino long low. Ino long road bilang behind him low.
Tipo em, all man meri sin tasol. Sin lo em, all making opa em, God em sin, yung ground, tasol lo, room holy true. Sin lo em, go kulapan taplo. Room holy true. Before time, rice in diet. Satan am sabe go antap lo lahapu. Am sabe sukin tok longgo to. You talk you straight la tasol. You looking sin dolman meri am pulap start. Na lobby to kol sem. Lo sin en dai tasol. Tasol lo anem na sin dolman meri go start. Sen na time rice en dai. En go antap lo. Lum hori true na. Blood longamet and cleaning this blood. Bless this room, making this room and come up holy. No blood longamet. Making this work no rousing sin do on man me. No this rota solen. Name long God can start straight. The one and behind in this law also pay the sin and die so. God calling me straight la man Mary lo. Asul do believe. One time of same God and talk lo. Abraham God call him straight la man. Lo nem Abraham em harim talk long God na believe him. Make him over a talk or same God and talk. Also no God call him straight la man. Suppose you may put down no sin. One time of same King David and put down no sin. Kasolem sawe lo passing the talk sorry and outing sin long him. Also no God em call him straight la man. The passing the outing sin to sorry lo sin na outing. And we must believe lo dahil nakira back lo Jesus Christ. Lo disklaro tasolen God ba calling him straight la man. So Adam and bring him sin, na all get a man Mary los la ground and you all get a sin. So long Christ and bring him life lo is the good all time.
So Adam mosem piksa belum Jesus. Or na Adam sin come up na Adam die. Adam kisim plus bliumi Because em make him sin, so em bless me, na em die. Christ em come down on this playground, so em must die too, one time em Adam em die. So Christ can em die, na em kira back one time nupla life. Na so him also em all gida sin me, em Christ em die, na bring him go inside the mat. Na em kira back one time light. So na em helping me too also. You me too, you must die one time of same Christ. Nah, kira back one time Christ.
Christ even, you been die one time Christ na kira back or some. You mean no more stop ani lo. You mean stop ani lo mari lo God. Na. You mean mas was nunggu you mean sin again. By me no more stop ani lo mari lo God. So by me stop ani lo ken. Lo ino sawe making me sin so sin sawe kisim strong lo na. Making me come up sin, na you stop ani lo sin, na you stop walk boy nothing. Manu side stop ani lo mari emani believe lo talk long God and stop ani lo mari. Na manu side sin, em stop ani lo kotimem. Suppose money sin na emi tanim bel, God by kisim back em na em stop ani tien mari lo. Manem suppose em Christian na em stop ani lo mari lo God tasol emi make him sin. Ose em stop ani lo God na. Suppose em make him sin na emi no tanim bel na em stop em ba kisim bagara. Sin ba kalabusim em ba stop walk boy nothing yo sin. Em sawe lo talk lo God tasol. Sin em kalabusim em sin pasim em. Emba no not lo make him one pla walk. Display man and one pla Christian taso let me know bin wash food na sin even kalabusimem. Option na start to can start lo Romans 7 22 go down 25. True lo thinking belong me like him too much law belong God. Taso me looking narapla law is stop inside long all half body belong me. Na display narapla law is awe. Pipe long law belong God. Stop long ting belong me. Display narapla law, emi law belong sin. Na emi walk long kalabusim me. Na bosim all half body belong me. Oh sorry. Display heavy bagarapim through ting belong me. Em one blow way that's all must make him so must sing out long God la. Ask him God lo help him osem must straighten display. Sin dongan one time God na. Blood lo Christ para usim display sin dongan. Em basta pray.
Sin sawe kisim strong lo. Em sawe kirapi mangal na. Ol pasin ino straight inside lo bel lo man. So display now em sin em kalabusi man now. Because time man make him em brukim display lo now. Na em sin em kalabusi true. Em banana ko harim tok long God, em banana ko behind him. Tasol suppose em sing out long God enough long help him long walk long Christ. Holy Spirit can show him one em pasin em been make him sin long na Holy Spirit enough to show him na em can turn him bell long. One em pasin or one em pasin em been pundown long or sin been kalabusim lo one em something or one em pasin. Holy Spirit enough to help him this laman em can look sawe lo. Or kita pasin ngut em make him na em enough to turn him bell na kame long God.